Are you tired of the sent message sound on your Android smartphone? In this video, we'll show you how to turn it off. To disable the outgoing message sound in the default messaging app, begin by opening the Messages app. Tap on your profile icon at the top right corner, then navigate to Message Settings. Now, switch off the toggle next to Hear Outgoing and Incoming Message Sounds. Next, if you wish to silence conversation tones on WhatsApp, open the app on your Android smartphone. Tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner, then select Settings. From there, go to Notifications and toggle off Conversation Tones. That's it! You won't be bothered by the annoying sent message sound anymore. Now that you've learned how to turn it off, why not take it a step further? Subscribe to Guiding Tech and explore one of these videos specially selected for you.